It starts with a question that might hit you right in the heart. Have you ever woken up, rubbing your eyes, only to feel that subtle decline in your vision? Perhaps reading the morning paper feels slightly blurry, or night driving has become a nerve-wracking experience. You're not alone. Millions of seniors face this silent struggle with their eyesight. But what if I told you that something as simple as a glass of smoothie consumed before bed could help protect and even restore your eye health naturally? In the next 20 minutes, I'm going to reveal for nighttime smoothies designed to nourish your eyes while you sleep, boost retinal health, and fight age-related degeneration. Stick with me because the first smoothie alone could start changing your vision within weeks. Let's start with the first nighttime smoothie, the carrot and blueberry vision booster. Imagine this, a cozy evening, the aroma of sweet carrots mingling with the tangy zest of blueberries and a creamy base of Greek yogurt. Carrots are rich in beta-carotene, a powerful antioxidant that converts to vitamin A in your body, crucial for night vision. Blueberries bring anthocyanins, which have been shown to strengthen the capillaries in your eyes, improving blood flow and reducing fatigue. One study on seniors with early macular degeneration found that a diet high in anthocyanins could slow the progression of vision loss. Just 2 glasses a week can start making a difference. But let me tell you a story about Mr. Henry, a 72-year-old retired schoolteacher. He struggled with blurry vision for years, fearing he might soon give up driving at night. After incorporating this carrot-blueberry smoothie into his nightly routine, he noticed sharper vision in just a month. He couldn't believe it when his grandkids could suddenly see his face more clearly during bedtime stories. Now, the second smoothie is something I like to call the Spinach and Kiwi eye elixir. Spinach is a powerhouse of lutein and zeaxanthin, carotenoids that accumulate in the retina and protect against harmful blue light. These compounds act like natural sunglasses for your eyes, filtering out damaging light and preventing oxidative stress. Kiwi is loaded with vitamin C, which supports the health of blood vessels in the eyes. Together, they create a nutrient-dense, naturally sweet drink. Imagine the cool, refreshing taste of kiwi blending perfectly with the creamy spinach base, making it not just healthy, but delightful. Let me share Mrs. Clara's story. At 68, she noticed tiny blind spots creeping into her vision, and her ophthalmologist warned her about early macular degeneration. Desperate for a natural solution, she tried this spinach kiwi elixir nightly. 3 months in, her blind spots diminished, and her eyes felt less strained after reading. She told me, "It's like I got a piece of my youth back. I can read bedtime stories to my grandchildren without squinting." The third smoothie is the turmeric and mango anti-inflammatory wonder. Turmeric, with its golden hue, contains curcumin, a potent anti-inflammatory agent that can reduce inflammation in ocular tissues. Chronic inflammation in the eyes can accelerate conditions like glaucoma and cataracts. Mango adds natural sweetness and is packed with vitamin A and carotenoids, enhancing the effect. Here's a practical tip. Blend 1 teaspoon of turmeric, 1 ripe mango, a half cup of almond milk, and a dash of black pepper to increase absorption. Seniors like Mr. Robert, a 75-year-old retired engineer, swore he'd never find a natural remedy for his eye strain. But after a few weeks of this nightly mango turmeric smoothie, he reported less dryness, reduced redness, and clearer vision during the evenings. He even joked, "I feel like I'm seeing my garden in HD now." Finally, the fourth smoothie, and perhaps the most decadent of all, is the Cherry and Almond Dream Blend. Cherries are high in anthocyanins, just like blueberries, but they also contain melatonin, which helps regulate sleep. Almonds are rich in vitamin E, an antioxidant critical for protecting cells in the eyes from oxidative stress. Together, this smoothie is not just for your eyes, it's a lullaby for your entire body, promoting restful sleep while nourishing your vision. Think of a warm summer night, the sweet tongue of cherries combined with the nutty aroma of almonds, slipping into a creamy, dreamy texture. Take Mrs. Eleanor, 70 years old, a retired nurse who began noticing hazy vision in the evenings. After incorporating the cherry almond smoothie into her nightly ritual, she reported waking up feeling refreshed, her eyes less dry, and colors appearing brighter. She said, "It's amazing how something so simple can make me feel alive again. I can finally enjoy knitting without straining my eyes." Now, let's talk about the science behind these smoothies. As we age, our eyes naturally lose antioxidants and essential nutrients like vitamin A, lutein, zeaxanthin, and vitamin E. This deficiency accelerates age-related eye diseases, including cataracts, macular degeneration, and glaucoma. By providing these nutrients at night, your body has hours to absorb them, repair oxidative damage, and reduce inflammation. Think of it like giving your eyes a nightly spa treatment. You may wonder if these smoothies are enough. The truth is, they are part of a holistic approach. Hydration, sleep, regular eye exercises, and reducing screen time complement their effects. But even on their own, these smoothies can dramatically improve eye health when used consistently. Let's break down the preparation tips. Always use fresh, organic produce when possible to maximize nutrients. Avoid added sugars, they can accelerate oxidative stress. Blend until smooth for easy absorption and drink 30 minutes before bed. Rotating these for smoothies nightly ensures your eyes get a diverse range of protective nutrients. You might be thinking, but will this really work for me at 65, 70, or even 80? Let me share the stories of a few more seniors who tried these routines. Mr. James, 74, had cataract surgery looming on the horizon, but wanted to delay it naturally. He incorporated all for smoothies into his nightly routine. After 6 months, his ophthalmologist noticed slower progression, and he postponed surgery by over a year. Mrs. Linda, 69, who was frustrated by dry eyes and night glare, reported that after a couple of months, she could drive comfortably at night again. These are not isolated cases. Science supports the protective effects of the antioxidants, carotenoids, and anti-inflammatory compounds in these ingredients. Let's also talk about an unexpected benefit: mood and cognitive function. The antioxidants in these smoothies do more than support your eyes. They improve blood flow and reduce oxidative stress in the brain. Seniors who drink these regularly report sharper focus, better memory recall, and reduced brain fog. Imagine enjoying not just clearer vision, but sharper thinking, more energy, and a calmer, restful sleep. Here's a pro tip. You can modify these smoothies based on taste and tolerance. Add a teaspoon of chia seeds for omega-3 fatty acids, which support retinal health. A splash of coconut water can enhance hydration. Swap almond milk with oat milk for a creamier texture. The key is consistency and nutrient density. By now, you might be feeling a spark of hope. Imagine waking up each morning, your eyes feeling rested, colors vivid, and reading glasses optional. Imagine sharing bedtime stories with your grandchildren without squinting, enjoying late-night walks without glare, and seeing sunsets as sharp as you remember in your youth. This is not a dream, it's achievable with the right nutrition and routine. Remember, it's never too late to start. Even if your vision has declined, providing your eyes with nutrients while you sleep can help halt progression, reduce strain, and improve overall ocular health. The combination of beta-carotene, lutein, zeaxanthin, anthocyanins, vitamin C, vitamin E, and anti-inflammatory compounds acts like a shield, protecting your precious sight every single night. Before we wrap up, here's a quick recap. Carrot and blueberry vision booster, beta-carotene and anthocyanins for night vision and blood vessel health. Spinach and kiwi eye elixir, lutein, zeaxanthin, and vitamin C to filter harmful light and improve vascular health. Turmeric and mango anti-inflammatory wonder, curcumin and carotenoids to reduce inflammation and oxidative stress. Cherry and almond dream blend, anthocyanins, vitamin E, and melatonin for restorative sleep and antioxidant protection. Each smoothie is not just a drink, it's a nightly ritual, a story of hope, a path to preserving your vision naturally. And if you think you'll forget, write down your favorite recipes, create a nightly routine, or even share them with a loved one. Nothing motivates us like shared experience. After all, these smoothies aren't just about eyesight, they're about living fully, seeing clearly, and enjoying life in all its vivid color. So tonight, as you reach for a glass of water before bed, imagine swapping it for one of these magical smoothies. Your eyes, your life, and even your mood will thank you. Remember, the journey to restoring eye health starts with a single sip. And each night you nurture your eyes, you're investing in a brighter, clearer tomorrow.